There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, here's a couple of new things. What do I got here today? Went to Harbor Freight, picked up a step bit. These things cost $79 by Milwaukee, 39 bucks for the, I destroyed the package, I don't know what the hell the name of it is, Hercules. I didn't want to spend $79 to find out that, what do you call it? He'll do the same thing as this one. Plus, I'm only using it for 4 holes for now. As usually, things are a pain in the ass to get apart, open up, all that crap. So, I'll finish opening that camera here. They had a $17 bit, which I was gonna try, but I was like, you know, 17 bucks. If I blow it out in one hole, I still need one that doesn't suck. So I spent $39 on a step bit, which I don't use them very often. But when I need something in the jam and I don't have it, I'll use it. Got these 2 bits. They're what, titanium, I think? Cobalt? Yeah, cobalt. These are 2 cobalt bits, I bet. So yeah, I got those. I also picked up some jigsaw blades. I picked up a pack of heat shrink tubing from Harbor Freight because, you know, it's cheaper than buying regular ones. It's Harbor Freight, it's Harbor Freight. It doesn't matter where the hell you buy heat shrink tubing from. You might not get the same amount, but hey. Picked up some hex cap screws in a kit from Harbor Freight. I also needed a place to put my bicycle. I picked up a bicycle lift. I'll do a video on how this works. I'm not going to do a fancy video on all this stuff. Just showing what I picked up. Just random crap. I am going to be making a video on me, what do you call it, putting some other stuff together, but this is it for now. So hope you like that. Just some new stuff from Harbor Freight, and I will get on to the next thing. So stay tuned.